Hello sisters and brothers, let's get into the review of this software Appointik. Okay, so let me tell you firstly that this software Appointik has no review version. That's why I have not I can't show you any review access or any review software. Okay, basically they have not given any review version with this software launch. Okay, so in a nutshell, this software is giving you totally a organized appointment system. Okay, so you can organize everything, just like as an example I can tell about myself that I have to maintain a calendar to which product I want to promote which day. Okay, so this is from my side. Okay, so I have to maintain a calendar. That's why from my side I need such kind of tool, and every man is busy and they plan their every day. That's why a man can easily plan their day and easily organize everything, what to do, what after next, and what after this, what after this work. Okay, so you can organize your everything, your day easily with this software, and you can just do it very fluently. Okay, so I have no review access, but I just want to show you my bonuses. Basically I want to show you my bonuses which I am giving you. That's why this is the bonus value. You can see $6,397 custom bonuses which I have collected from so many days. I want to give it totally free with the front-end version. Basically this software has no front-end version, only a version. Okay, comes with one option, which is 1 year option and also 2 year option. Okay, I'll show you, but now let me just start the review or something like that. I have so this is a meme created by me. I want a big smile while choosing your product. Okay, that's why I always create meme, and I have not given any rating with this product cause I have not used this. Okay, that's why you can redirect it. You will be redirected to the software and also the bonuses once you have clicked on this button. So I want you to come this page and check by yourself everything. I have mentioned here everything with the what you can do with this software and what are the purpose, and you can use as weekly calendar view. You can setting your business. Basically you just organize and you just plan like a successful person. Okay, you can just don't waste your day and just you can just grab the summary of the day. What you just stick to your plan. This is such kind of software. Okay, so this is appointments, and the next option is book appointment and customer. I have not used it. I am repeating you, but this screenshot was given by them and I have put here. Okay, so everyone can use it, and let me just show you. This is the plans. Okay, you can use it as free, and you can use the $10 per month. This is the features you are getting with the $0 and $10, and you can go to the software and the bonuses by clicking get it now. And these are the bonuses I have collected from so many days, and I want to give you totally free. Okay, if someone is giving more than me, you can go by them. Okay, my principle is very simple. Okay, so these are the softwares. You can see I am scrolling down and it is not ending. Okay, now let me go to the ending. Almost I am coming to the okay, so after 50 bonuses I was just tired of, and these days man has literally less reading span. That's why I have chosen this path, and I have mentioned here 270 plus as mega bonuses. Okay, so that means 50 plus 270, 320 plus bonuses, which is stuffed with all of softwares, PDFs and plugins. Mainly they are softwares. Okay, but some plugins are also there, and some PDF and SEO, and some case studies, some video case studies are also there. Okay, so I have collected from so many days. I want to just show you that I am giving this. That's why I made this video. Okay, so I am signing out for the day. So bye bye.